The worst part of my job is when we see clients who are going through a health event and they either have no life insurances or very limited amounts. Now, of course, it's still incredibly sad when someone goes through a serious health event and they have the right insurances in place, but at least the financial burden isn't there as well. Now, we get it. No one likes paying for insurance. It's a bit of a grudge purchase, but it's still essential. We see the outcomes when people don't have them versus when they do. And unfortunately with insurance, it's one of those things you have to get before an event happens. You can't get it obviously after. So what do we do for people? Three main things are work out what cover levels they need for each of the type of life insurances. The second is pick the best insurer for them based on cost, quality, and whether they've had any pre-existing health conditions. And third, if clients ever need to claim, we can help them through that whole process as well. So if you need life insurances organised, please reach out.